The Texas Attorney General's office is seeking a new execution date for Robert Roberson, convicted of murdering his 2-year-old daughter.
His case gained national attention after new evidence raised doubts about his guilt, prompting state lawmakers' efforts to stop his execution last October, a move that angered Attorney General Ken Paxton and Governor Greg Abbott. To investigate, Robert Arnold is in our newsroom with the new legal filings. Robert
Roberson's attorneys have filed an objection to the Attorney General's office's request for a new execution date. The AG's office has officially taken over the case from the Anderson County District Attorney's office. Attorneys for Robert Roberson maintain new scientific evidence prove his 2-year-old daughter, Nikki, did not die from shaken baby syndrome, but rather severe illness. His attorneys further argued the science used to prove shaken baby syndrome in Roberson's case has since been disproven, as well as other evidence casting doubt on his guilt that was not brought up at trial.
There are doubts in Robertson's case, and I don't think anyone with a prudent mind would argue that there aren't doubts.
Victims' rights advocate Andy Kahn supports the death penalty, but is one of several voices calling for Roberson's case to be reviewed.
There's so many factors that go into this case, and that's why I don't understand, why we're in such a rush to get him executed.
Roberson was scheduled for execution last October. A last-minute subpoena from state lawmakers stopped that from happening and triggered a lawsuit that went to the Texas State Supreme Court. The High Court ruled lawmakers have the right to subpoena testimony from death row inmates, but a last-minute subpoena in the future would not be allowed to stop a scheduled execution. After that legal battle, Roberson's attorneys filed new appeals with the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals, which are pending.
If we're going to have the death penalty as the ultimate punishment, we better damn well make sure that that person is conclusively and without a doubt guilty of that particular offense. And from my perspective, there are a lot of doubts in Robertson's case, and I don't mind taking a stand.
Attorney General Ken Paxton has staunchly maintained there are no doubts as to Roberson's guilt and has fought attempts to get a new trial. His office has not yet responded to our request for comment on this recent request for a new execution date. The Anderson County District Attorney's office has also not responded to our request for comment. We do have a lot more for you to read about this case. It's all under the Investigate section of click2houston.com. In the newsroom, Robert Arnold, KPRC 2 News.